How to add flight to your Google Calendar. Once you open Google Calendar, click on the settings icon at the top right and then click on settings again. From here, make sure you go to Google Workspace Smart Feature and make sure this is tick marked. So what this is going to do is if you booked a flight and you got the ticket or you got the flight details on your Gmail, Google is automatically going to detect those flight details and then according to the date, it's going to set an event or those flight bookings date on your Google Calendar. For this, you need to also enable this smart feature in Gmail. Now it's going to be on by default if you haven't turned it off. So by doing this, it's going to appear. But if by some reason it is turned off, then you can just click on this three dots at the top right and click on Gmail. From inside Gmail, just click on settings, click on see all settings. Scroll down, you will see a section called smart feature over here. So until you see it, just scroll down. Once you see it over here, smart feature, make sure this is tick marked and basically you have done it. That's how you guys can get your flight bookings on your Google Calendar. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.